That sucks. What can you do? Gardens are never perfect. I like to look at it this way. The healthier your garden is, the more you're going to attract nature. Even if that means a cat or a possum or mice that knock over your things. So I seeded these about a month ago, and as you can see, they're not doing that great. They're out of the bag now because they got knocked over once before. So I took them all out, and now we're having a little bit of a dilemma here, and we're gonna have to do something about that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna block some compost and transplant, and then hopefully save as many seedlings as I can. Alright, so this tool is a soil blocker. It allows you to make blocks of soil for your starters. What I'm doing here is trying to compact as much soil as I can into these blocks. And then if you look inside here, there are these little plastic nubs, and that creates a little nodule where you can insert your plant once the block is out. Watch this. So we're gonna push these blocks out, and there you have a block to start your seeding. Doesn't look like I'm doing such a great job, but I'm trying. Let's see if I can get it really nice and compact this time. Cool. Careful. Nice and slow. Woohoo! Not bad. I can work with that. Alright. Alright, so we have some blocks, and no, they're not perfect, but I think they will do. So now I'm gonna transplant some seedlings, and hopefully they take. Gently just place them in that block. Ooh, nice seedling. for now is place them in this container that can serve as their greenhouse, and give them a little bit more protection than where they were at before. Oh. So that's it for now. We're going to cover this container and put it in a nice safe place. Hopefully next time I've checked on them, they have doubled in size. That's all I can do for now. If you have any cool, nice ideas how I could have done this better, please shoot me a comment. And hey, thanks for watching, and make sure you like and follow for more videos.